Let's make chocolate trophies for our little ones who are graduating this year. All you need will be some glitter papers and a old bottle. I have made a round base and covering it up with a black color glitter foam sheet in this way. Now to add a definition, I am using this white color glitter foam sheet as a border. Now I have taken an old empty plastic bottle, cut it into half and added a small paper roll base at the bottom. Now I have to stick the base and the middle section with the help of glue gun. Sticking it firmly and this cup-like structure is done. Now it's time to make a cover. I have cut a square shaped card paper and adding the black foam sheet over it. Then making borders of the white foam sheet from all the four sides. Now I am using the yellow color glitter foam sheet to make a tassel. Adding a thin black strap to hold the tassel. Then a small circle at the top like this. Now to add a skull cap, I am using this white roll and adding the black foam sheet over it. Adding the skull cap with the top with the help of a glue gun, securing it firmly, and our graduation cap is ready. Making a degree certificate with the help of white foam sheet and adding it at the base. Now I am adding a bow at the neck of the bottle. As the bow should match the cap and the base, I am making it in white color. The cute bow is also ready. Now I am filling the cup with some chocolates and then adding the graduation cap. And our super cute graduation trophy is ready. I'm sure that all the little graduates will love it. Like, share, subscribe and do comment your feedback.